It is self-evident that the COVID-19 pandemic does not respect any national borders. Entire world is suffering, is in pain. So this is not the time for playing politics. It is time to build a common health for mankind, to promote health as a common gift and a common necessity for the whole of mankind. The Chinese medical teams went to many countries around the world. China sent the personal protection equipment and other material to countries around the world. This shows a very strong sense of human solidarity on the part of the Chinese people and the Chinese government. China has done really commendably in containing the spread of the epidemic, even though it was the first victim of the epidemic. It has been active not only in trying to contain the spread, but in researching over an effective vaccine. Many countries are doing it. Countries should collaborate, share information, share their research so that the world gets a vaccine at the very earliest. The coronavirus pandemic should not be politicized. There is something wrong about the politics of the United States, in which politicians resort to untruthful and harmful information and spread that information around the world. This is most unfortunate. This kind of politicization goes against the spirit of science, also comes in the way of global cooperation.